Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix yellow triangle warning on drive D or E in Windows 11, 10. Type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type manage -BDE space, drive letter command space, -off. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.